Urgent. DJI urges drone operators to comment on proposed FAA rules. That's coming up next. The FAA is seeking public input to allow routine drone flights over people and at night. And with that, DJI yesterday came out with a statement. And I'm going to go ahead and read some excerpts from that statement and also provide some links where you can go ahead and send your comments to the FAA. DJI, the world's leader in civilian drones and aerial imaging technology, urges professional drone operators in the United States to submit comments to the Federal Aviation Administration about proposed new rules to allow professionals to routinely fly drones at night and over people, as well as how to safely prepare for unmanned traffic management, implemented payload restrictions, and enable flight beyond visual line of sight. The FAA must receive these comments on these proposals through its online portal by Monday, April 15th. To date, while almost 1,300 comments have been received about safe and secure drone operations, fewer than 100 comments have been received about flight at night and over people. Drone professionals know society has barely tapped the potential of this transformative technology, and we appreciate the FAA's willingness to listen to the voices of people who use drones every day as they craft these necessary rules, said Brendan Schulman, DJI Vice President of Policy and Legal Affairs. Given how vital these rules are for every professional drone pilot in America, it's surprising to see how few comments have been received. We strongly encourage professional drone operators and fleet operators to read the FAA's proposals and submit their perspectives on how to ensure drones can handle expanded responsibilities safely. Now, I'm going to include a link to the FAA site where you can read this in its entirety, and then you want to click on the comment bar to put your comments in for that as well. I'm also going to drop a link in there as well to this complete statement from DJI. DJI is urging you to get your comments to the FAA by April 15th. That is the deadline that the FAA has set to receive your comments. And again, there's only been 100 of them, and I know a lot of you are interested in the rules regarding night flying and flying over crowds, is that's going to make a huge difference for a lot of drone operators. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.